Hi, I'm Alan Jansen from World Acupuncture.
Masakazu Ikeda sensei's 29th and final international workshop.
If you are a practitioner or a student of traditional acupuncture, Moxibustion or herbal medicine, this is an event not to be missed.
外貨にしようか。よくこう触ってね。
You should touch.
それでツボが見つかったらね、
So when you
指
find
を
a
反転
position.
させて、こう指を反転させて。
Hi, my name is Takashi Furue. I've been practicing acupuncture 11 years. I've been studying under Ikeda sensei more than 12 years. He's very famous master practitioner in Japan. He's Japanese, but he practices very traditional Chinese medicine. I believe this seminar will be beneficial for everyone. Yeah.